Hey, how's it going? AJ here. Today I have the Jib Plus. The Jib Plus is an entry-level pair of Bluetooth headphones available for under $30 at Best Buy, Amazon, and most electronic retail stores. I purchased this set for about 15 bucks at Best Buy about a week before Black Friday. Since then, I've been seeing it for about 20 bucks or so at other locations. It's light and has a bare bones plastic design, and to be honest, I'm skeptical about its long-term durability. But I've been using it for about a month now, so here are a few key takeaways about the Jib Plus. The sound quality is decent enough to get me through my commute or a light workout. I noticed that it doesn't quite stay in place during jogging or high-paced activities. I had to readjust it several times while using it at the gym. It seems to be the case with a lot of these wraparound style headsets. The bass isn't quite skull rattling, but it definitely has the capabilities to reproduce the low frequencies in, for instance, hip hop and dance music. SkullCandy claims that we should be getting about 6 hours of battery life out of the Jib Plus. I've been getting about 4 hours max. How do I know this? My workout regimen is usually about 1 hour, and I usually can go about 4 sessions before needing a full recharge. For $15, I'll take it. To see a substantial difference in battery life, you're gonna have to spend a little bit more money. Unlike a lot of other Bluetooth headphones on the market, the Jib Plus actually sits comfortably and stays in my ear canal. It comes with 3 standard sizes of ear cups. Which one you use? It depends on the size of your ear canal. The Jib Plus also comes with a charging cable and a wire clip. I'm guessing the wire clip is to keep the cables in place while you wear the headset, but I think it does a poor job at it. So in conclusion, I give the Jib Plus a product rating of 3 out of 5 stars. Ranging at about $15 to $20, it's a sweet price point to get you out the door with a set of Bluetooth headphones, and it also has decent sound quality. But the long-term durability combined with comfort of wearability just doesn't do it for me. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. My name's AJ. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you like, you can follow me on all major social media platforms at General with a J Entertainment. See you in the next one.